Okay, modelers, the Aoshima Liberty Walk Aventador Limited Edition has finally arrived after a couple months. However, it doesn't say what limited is. It's just says limited. It doesn't say if it's a limited run of models. You can see the box art is really nice. Of course, it's in Japanese and American. It's got a nice little label there. Maybe that's it. Is there a number on that label? That could be the number. It looks a little high for me, for being just fresh out of the factory. So let's see what's inside. It's not cellophane wrapped like the American models. So we have our clear glass. We have the body, and this is the most interesting part because it has the Liberty Walk flares already molded in, where the accessory kits that we used to buy before, you had to put them on individually. It's very nice, actually. Detail's pretty good. Everything looks really sharp. I'm gonna stick that there. Here we have the wheels. They're two-piece, and you have body parts all in one plastic kit there. We have the engine bay, the glass for the lights and indicators, pertinent parts there. Stick that there. More body parts. It's weird how they have body parts mixed in with other parts. This is trim parts for the windshield. Front air dam, it looks like. Here we got suspension, tires, and more body parts. The air dam and the side rockers. It's definitely a good amount of parts. There's gonna be a lot of tree cleaning here. There's the base bottom. You can cantilever the wheels. There's interior, some chrome, very little. And of course we have our sticker pack, which I did not open up. Looks like we got some carbon fiber parts there, or blackout parts. The stickers. Can't really see everything because I don't want to pull it all out of the package yet. Got the gauges and whatnot. And the detailed instruction book. Now this is pretty neat. I've never had a booklet like this. It's actually like a booklet. It's not like a cheesy paper thing you pull out. It's all folded up. There's the suspension for the wheels. You can cantilever them. Pretty simple to go together. There'll be a lot of cleaning and detailing more than anything. There's the black trim pieces right there. You can trim all around the windshield and windows. A little detail reference, interior, wheels, engine, dash. It's pretty wild. And here you have the full layout of all the trees that I just pulled out of the box. Make sure you have all your parts, which all of them are here. Aoshima. So there you have it, everybody. The reveal of the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador Limited Edition from Aoshima. It's a pretty wild box. I did order another one. I'm going to build one and save one. and we'll see what happens at the end. But if you're still waiting for yours, this is what you're going to get. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.